Hello my lovelies, welcome back to the channel.
Hello my lovelies.
Salut.
Salut Mishka. Oui.
Hello my lovelies, welcome back to the channel. So we are traveling to Mauritius. Yes, it was my dream trip for many months. I actually wanted to come back with my family to this fantastic island. In French it is Île Maurice, in English it's Mauritius, and it's amazing place to visit. I am so much looking forward to share this travel with you guys. Enjoy! Hey Nina! Hi! Salut! Théodie, qu'est-ce qui se passe? Most important in traveling to Mauritius is to prepare for travel. So normally you will have two flights. We were having the connecting flight, so we were connecting via Paris, but afterwards also when you arrive to the island, most probably you will need to have some transfer to your destination, to your hotel, and it might take a while. In our case, it actually was around hour and a half or a little bit less than that, but yes, you need to plan for it, you need to prepare for it. Your kids should be prepared for it if you are traveling with children. But what is great is that the nature is impressive and you will not be bored when you are in the car. Just look around, you will see the most famous mountain of Île Mauritius, you will see all the nature, animals, and good simple life. Finally arriving at hotel. You can see that we are exhausted, specifically my daughter. But service in Mauritius is exceptional and you will have very nice welcoming drinks. Most probably they will give you the space, a lounge where you can relax, you can wait till your room is ready, and they will definitely take care of you, making sure that you can rest from the first seconds when you are arriving in the hotel. Really great service. Mauritius has a lot to offer, but again, like, we were limited a little bit with the fact that we are traveling with young kids, and with this we spent enormous amount of time in this fantastic swimming pool with the view on the ocean, with the view on fantastic plage, nature, and it was a great spot for us. Ça va Théo? Tu nages dans la piscine comme les grandes? Oui. Papa, tu nages comme les grandes?
Yeah, comme un grand bébé.
Ça c'est mon bébé.
Au contraire.
Petit nageur Théo. Salut Théo.
C'est mon bébé.
C'est ton bébé? Moi je pensais que c'est notre. Non?
C'est ton frère.
C'est mignon toi. Nina et Théo. Coucou, Nina les photos. Et c'est là. Oh. I give you a few seconds to enjoy the view of the garden. This is another place where we spend a lot of time, you can imagine there are a lot of vivid flora and fauna which is around. So with kids we were discovering a lot of interesting stuff. And yeah, my mom is also a lot in the gardening, so I needed to give her nice footage of what is out there in El Mauritius and what she can plan to have in her garden as well. This is a spa spot, and in any Mauritius hotel you will find spa. You will have an area where they will offer you good sauna, good massages, good treatments, whatever you are interested in really. After spa chill, I was lucky enough that my partner is giving me free me time, and this is exactly the right spot. So after massage, after sauna, after all the procedures, you can just relax in the chill area where you will be served nice drinks, nice things to snack. And yeah, it's just good sometimes to switch off from everything and spend some time thinking about yourself, what you want to do, what is the next steps. Like, I love it. I love it.
Ça va, il pleut pas?
Il pleut pas du tout. Hein.
Il pleut pas du tout?
Hein?
Il pleut pas du tout? C'est chouette ça!
Ça pour un truc ça.
Ça c'est les pluies ici, à 12 secondes et c'est fini.
Ouais, celle-là va durer un peu plus longtemps, celle-là.
Of course, Mauritius is a tropical island, so it's very normal that sometimes you will have heavy rains. And this was happening nearly daily, but they were so short, and you can see that my child is even playing during the rain in the swimming pool, so it's not preventing anyhow from the good time in the swimming pool or wherever you are. Rain is super warm and pleasant, and you can spend your time actually if you like romantic setup for you and your partner. This was interesting picture we saw one morning when we woke up, and we saw that the staff is actually going and removing some coconuts from the palm. One thing that you should be careful about in Mauritius is do not be hit by the coconut.
Это похоже на нас, да? Такие милые. Еще и так одновременно.
Это спешат.
If anyone worries about a baby really had a great time. He spent nearly all the time in the swimming pool as well. And if he was not swimming, he was going to the little promenade with us on the plage. By the way, guys, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell so you will hear more from me and see more videos with this content, or tell me what you want to see next. I'm very curious of what my audience is looking for on this channel. Looking forward to read your comments. Go to the comment section, guys. Thank you for helping me to promote this video.
Petit bébé.
On va voir maman.
Tu
Ouais.
vois? Non, 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 non. C'est là pour jouer, pas pour boire. Papa, regarde-moi.
And this is our crazy trip. We go to Casella Park with a baby. This is the park where you can have safari experience. So you are going in the little bus. There are a few people with you as well, and you're basically there in the wild nature with wild animals around you. Wow, wow, wow. I'm so happy that we did it together. Yes, it was not super easy with baby. I would most probably not recommend for very not adventurous people and people who are not like discomfort to do it this way, but we wanted to be all together, so we did it all together, and it was wow. Like, I love wild nature. I also don't like the zoo how they were before, traditional ones where animals are in the cages. Like, it's so not nice to look into it. And here, like, we are in the wild nature, they are just next to us. You can touch the animals, like, it's amazing, but in the same time it is safe, it's good for them, good for us. So absolutely recommend you Casella Park. Wonderful experience. You can actually do this park not only in this bus but also in the smaller cars, like it's like rally cars or something like this, where you are alone or alone with the guide, or the couple of you with the guide, depending how you want to do it. So it's a little bit more luxury and exclusive experience. Definitely we didn't suit for it with the family setup that we had for this trip, but who cares, we saw it all. We were in the bus, but it was so amazing. And yeah, I never saw these wonderful animals, antelopes, before, with nice sign on their back. Like, it's like done specifically to be a target, and it is so fun. Then yeah, if you like wild animals, go, enjoy, you will love Casella Park. It's beautiful experience.
Уля-ля-ля-ля, побежал.
Он танцует.
Il a pris beaucoup de plumes sur le dessus.
Oh, 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 oh. Il revient, il revient. Hey! Théo! Théo! Hey! Ah! Coucou!
Ça part.
Coucou!
Tu ska på det bröd.
Ça part.
Sen ska man vara det bröd.
Là-bas, elle est là.
Väldigt.
On n'a pas le droit de...
Elle dort.
Elle garde les yeux ouverts.
C'est pour mieux te regarder, mon enfant.
Un autre. Une madame qui prend un selfie.
Of course, we didn't talk about food, but it goes without saying the cuisine in Maurice is amazing. There is everything that you can wish for, so it's very international. You will have also a lot of Indian food, somehow they have a lot of Indian influence. And yes, but besides this, all the seafood, all kind of normal traditional European food, pastas, Italian and stuff like this, everything is there, whatever you want. So for me, in this evening, I was eating the seafood and Nina was going for the chicken, which confirmed this video is great.
Нина говорит, не есть. Почему бы ты не ела?
Она колючая.
А я все думаю. Пробовать это или нет? Ça va Théo? Ça va? Tu as les belles vacances? Tu aimes? Oui? Théo, ça va? On va danser? Tu veux danser un petit peu? Théo? Ah! Oui mon Théo! Théo! Théo!
My dears, it's just a quick reminder where is the Mauritius next to Madagascar. You can see the little blue dot here. It's on the sud of Afrique area where we've been called Rocher Noir. Thanks for watching and till the next time. Bye bye for now.